Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create Mekko chart in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. Click on Add More Visuals. Get more visuals. Now click on this Mekko chart. Press Add. By pressing this Add, this app will appear in the visualization interface. Here is it. Click on it. Now in the category, we'll pick up the segment in the series. We'll pick up the category. On y-axis, we'll pick up the sales. And in axis width, we'll pick up the profit. Activate the focus mode, and your macro chart is ready. So, the width of this bar represents the profit, and the position represents the sales. So, we are doing quite good in consumer section with respect to the profit. So, hover your mouse on any strip and it will give you the information. So, this is how you can plot the macro chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.